Gallery Weekend Kuala Lumpur is a curated cultural experience that presents quality access, offering an array of meaningful and immersive encounters between visual, thought and place. GWKL is for everyone. Started with a prayer and a dream in 2016, GWKL is supported by excellent partners, including galleries, artists, project spaces, gourmet and premier museums. And these partnerships have continued annually. Kuala Lumpur is ready to host an event of this importance, to grow audiences and make Malaysia and our creators here active participants in the larger global network. Connected through high-quality delivery, there is a selection of well-curated, understandable experiences that make wonderful impact and memories. Discover beauty, creative practice, and new places mapped out for a treasure hunt. GWKL inspires guests to learn about their own and new environments through the gems of creativity in this dynamic metropolis. Venues curate their own shows with local and global multidisciplinary content. The Luminary program is a defining feature which brings international and local experts from various creative disciplines together, united by fame and pioneering spirit. Over the last 4 years, we have hosted leading curators, artists, museum directors, auction experts, art critics and architects who present at these free public modules. Importantly, GWKL gives the experience of art in this city as part of the greater cultural experience. Gallery Weekend Kuala Lumpur is about culture and encounter. We look forward to hosting you here.